summit and you're still in daylight. How you feeling?
How you feeling?
You're doing a great job, hun.
Legs are just tired.
I don't know why. You did a double. Yeah.
Did an 11-hour double.
Nice job. With a little bit of climbing.
Yeah. Almost 12,000.
That would be cool. Lightning struck. No.
You're just teasing me on the bent, weren't you?
No.
Oh shit.
3 more miles, honey.
What?
3 miles.
3?
3. So we stopped about, what was that, 15 minutes ago, and George gave us his Showers Pass jacket, and as you can see from our windshield wipers, it's now raining. But it's warm.
Would be good on the PT bike. It's just
You're
tired.
almost 300 miles in, so I want to use it.
Salmon is good.
Gotta taste it out and burp it out. Fish in a bag.
Is that what that was?
George summiting Jubilee Pass at, what time is it? 3:38. He's gonna have a 1 mile descent and then a 9.5 mile climb after this. And then a generally downhill to Shoshone. There's the sign I told you it was up here.
Where?
Right there, it's brown.
Oh.
Get the picture, Jason. Good job, hun. Oh, no stopping on the descent.
That's,
Not a good place to stop.
what's your name? I know.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Oh, Jesus. here we are, and we think we are about to hit the sign for the summit of Salisbury Pass, and I think George just saw it too because he just picked up the pace. He just dropped and demoralized a couple of people. Oh, yep, there it is, coming up on the sign. It is 4:48, and after we hit the summit of this, we're going to descend down into Shoshone where the time station is. Yep, there's the sign. Did a 9.5 mile, 2,300 foot climb. Salisbury Pass, elevation 3,315.